Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so first up, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of some type of confrontation situation between one person who was inside of a part of a building and at least two persons who you can clearly see in the video viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, so you can hear one person talking in the background of the video. I don't have any confirmed information as to what might have caused what seems to be some type of argument or confrontation between those persons. Is what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. But by looking at this video, maybe we can get a good understanding about the situation, and maybe by looking at the video we can get enough understanding to determine who might be right from who might be wrong when it comes on to whatsoever happened between those persons, viewers and subscribers. All right, now please bear in mind that I can hear someone talking somewhat loud in a sad way, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Take your camera off for me. Oshin, take your camera off me. Yeah, me liar. You see Andrew, you always come down here, sir. You see me liar, you always come down here, sir. Come no come, you know. Yeah, come out, but why she on my way? I take off her shoes. Hold on, Shanette. Remove your supervisor out of my way, please, me I beg you. Okay, you know, come. What's that? You don't need to reach. You want to move in front of me. She needs to be professional. She's a supervisor. She needs to be professional and move out of my way. I'm going. Get your shoes and get out of my way. Come now. Trailer, take off your shoes to fight. And she didn't believe she hear this. And most demons get up there because she know that never do this. Oh, she know that never do this. So I am coming for the life, God.
Well, I'm people. Let's point out certain things.
She know that never do me this.
It don't, no man. When she take me can't see me.
That's how they know. I mean, I will already fire. No more you girl. No boy, I really tell my mother because some mother I don't know you get in at this account take off her shoes, you know.
You don't want to fight me?
Girl, let me tell you one something. You see who want to fight? I release that. Hello?
People they might call. Come no man.
I release that if you want to fight. Some don't know where you come with. Me I beg you take your hand off of me. You're a thief. You're a thief. You got me yard. I don't want you put your hand on me, Shannon.
So may I have something?
No! Me know how you put your hand on me means not no thief.
I probably can't.
Take it. No, nobody put there.
Me hear the word thief. I'm hear the word fight. And notice that the video shows at least two persons wearing similar clothes or clothing. You see me I say? And tell me if you see any type of intimidation in the video. One thing when me say look away, and you know in my point of view that looks somewhat wrong, is when one person we can see in the video take off a pair of shoes that the person did wear. You see me I say? Yeah, in Jamaica, probably in other places in the world, when you see some type of argument are going between at least two persons, and when one person take off them shoes, maybe that's an indication for a situation that might get worse. You get me? I said to you, yeah, this is my take off the earring and you see that kind of look away this. So me I say, and in my point of view, whosoever was inside of a part of a building might have been somewhat on a high alert based on how situation said, because I now can't tell exactly how the person feels. So I'm not gonna say might have been on a high alert just because of certain things that go on. But you tell me what you think, my people. Now I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now this video is going to show a person who had been held at a premises that is located within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, and the person's two hands had been tied around something that was firmly placed in the ground. Now, I got the understanding that the police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago was at the location when this video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded. And I also saw another video that shows when the person was being placed in handcuffs by police, viewers and subscribers. See what I'm saying to you? I also got the understanding from another video that I saw that the person had been injured, viewers and subscribers. So may I say? Yes, that video shows some type of injury on the back part or somewhere around the back of the person's body, viewers and subscribers. I can see blood on the person and so forth. So may I say, no, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly how the person had been held and his two hands had been tied around that thing that is firmly placed in the ground, viewers and subscribers. But one thing for sure, the whole situation and the pieces of videos about the situation are being talked about on social media. So I'm going to present this piece of video to you so that you can get an understanding about the situation. Now, please bear in mind that this video is going to show a person with his two hands tied around something that is placed firmly in the ground, the viewers and subscribers. In the video, you can hear someone asking the person certain questions. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Observe.
What's your name? What's your name, is it? Daniel. What's your name? About where you from, my buddy, boy? Gospel, are you from? And we're doing quite on here, boy? In these people yard, boy?
You're renting down here or something?
You got mail.
Who you renting by?
But where jump, where call 05 for?
Because I want to take your course to talk to my and everything feel up. And be sick for that. I don't have no passage from the spot I was on.
Phone back the back light.
So you jump the roof and come here? But
Put your pants and thing wet up.
Gospel, are you from here, say, you know? We know what it is, boy? You know what it is? Let's see what's going on here, all ya. But which spot in the back there, your friend is in the bush there, say?
Right on we shoot out.
Well, your father, you have to look to go and wait. How far you is everybody by Gospel? You say you're from, you know?
I saw that I was funny and I didn't come on nobody, you know.
But we jump the roof and how many people place for, boy? You're drinking, no? You're drinking?
Yeah, I drink a little thing. I think I was
Someone of your family members might find you and they will know what's going on and everything normal at them all there.
Now, my people, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly how the person had been held, viewers and subscribers. So what I'm saying to you, some people might say that the person had been apprehended, but I don't know how the person had been apprehended. I don't even know who and how many persons might have been involved in the way how the person had been apprehended and the person's hands had been tied around something that is firmly put in the ground, viewers and subscribers. But anyways, so before I move on to another video, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now, and if you have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell also so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. Now I don't have any confirmed information as to how the confrontation started, viewers and subscribers. However, the video shows one of those persons who was involved in the confrontation holding an object, and the video shows the other person who was involved in the confrontation holding an object. So both of those persons was each holding an object, viewers and subscribers, and they seems as if they was somewhat upset or angry towards each other. But let's take a look at this video and see if we can get to understand the situation. And my people, me see quite a number of wrongs in this video. I'm going to point out some of the wrongs them when me see in this video, viewers and subscribers. See me? You can also do the same, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Look, this is what I'm going to some people. Look. It's what I'm looking at. You see that? It's a whole balance society. What the people. My people, I see quite a number of wrongs in that whole situation or the video. So may I say, the fact that one person who you can see in a part of the video holding an object and was arguing with one person who was sitting inside of the motor vehicle, and then the person who was sitting inside of the motor vehicle got out of the motor vehicle or stand up holding an object also. You see that object there? You see me I say? And then at some point, you know, the person put down the object, you know, and the other person was still holding that object. A part of the video shows when the person walk away, you know, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say, the person I look and I walk away while the other person was behind him holding an object in the viewers and subscribers. You understand me? No, it is good to walk away from certain types of confrontation, but sometimes you have to be careful how you walk away from certain types of confrontation, because you have some people who think certain ways, saying, so you still have to be careful. When I first see the video, me I hope to myself say, do no make it go no further than wait there. Me I tell you, you see me I say, because the way the situation they look, it look like a ticking, what I call it. You see, it just look away. So my people, just them videos that me I present to you for now, my people. You understand me? Yeah, Jano. Me there, people. Yeah, so avoid certain hostile confrontations. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.